everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So we've got another video for today, and we've another gaming vlogs, right? So yes, and also these are far by most that I have, right? So in it which is also I still I still I still use it now. I still use it this. So when it comes to handheld console, I always playing games in my Nintendo, right? So yes, I've got some. I got my Nintendo 3DS, okay, and it's also I got also my Nintendo DSi, and also right over here is also my Nintendo DS Lite, right? So got the bigger one. So yeah, so I don't know who is the bigger one for this one, right? Yeah. So yeah. So but the DS Lite doesn't have a camera, but my DSi has a camera on it. So I think there's two. I think there are two cameras, right? Yeah, I think there are two cameras. Okay, so and it's also I got my Nintendo 3DS also, which got also a camera, right? So yeah, we've got three cameras, so we've got right here, and also we got some right over here. So okay, so I'm gonna have to make a video for this tree. Okay, so right, so yeah, and then I'm gonna have to change the angle of the camera. So hope that there's enough battery for this one for me to have this. Okay, so since yeah, I always playing games in this one. Okay. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna have to start it up with my Nintendo DS Lite. So yes, here we go. So this one over here is also a great one. So yeah, got some game card right over here. Yeah, and then what is, oh yeah, it's an Asphalt 2, right? So I have the Asphalt 2 right over here, in which I can use it also right for this one, right? So yeah, so it's still working, right? So it still has also a stylus on it. Yeah, it still also has a stylus. Okay, so yeah, and then I can also put that one, and then we've got over here is for the Game Boy Advance SP, or the Game Boy Advance game cartridge, right? You can put some Game Boy Advance SP and Game Boy Advance cartridge right over here. So and it's also you can put a 3.5mm headphone jack, right? And as for the volume, we've got the power right over here, so gonna have to turn it on if it is gonna be okay, there it goes. It's green. Oh, okay, it's already red. Okay, but that's still gonna work, right? And also that's the game that yeah. And then we've got right over here is gonna have to turn on to the English, right? Yeah, there you go. Touch to start. Okay, arcade. Okay, we've got the single race. Okay, so yeah, there you go. You can change some, I can, this, okay, I'm gonna have to, okay, there you go. Drag your stylus to rotate the vehicle. Alright, there you go. So then like that one. So it's still on working, right? So it's still working. Yeah, okay. Let's go single race. Yeah, and it's still on good working, right? So yeah, this is also a really nice one if you really wanted to have this, but so I'm gonna have to start. Okay, yeah, so yeah, I forgot how to play this one. I already played this one, right? But Yeah, so what's this arcade, right? Yeah. Alright, so yeah, perfect, and also I can still use this one also. I forgot to bring the game card that is also a lot of games, right? So yeah, and it's also a really nice one also. Yeah, got to turn it off, and then there it goes. Dual screen, and also are really still good looking in a mint condition Nintendo DS Lite, right? And it's also a perfect one. So yes, and then yeah, it's nice to have this kind of Nintendo handheld, right? So yeah, so it's very good. So since it is a really nice, right, Nintendo DS Lite, and then yeah, I have some lots of games for my this one also. I have a game card for the Nintendo DS Lite that which also has a lot of games, right? All in one. So yeah, all in one. Okay, so next is gonna get over to this into my Nintendo 3DS. Hope still has the battery, right? Okay, so yeah. So there's no battery yet, so gonna have to turn it off, okay? I'm gonna have to turn it on, okay? So okay, here we go. So yeah, uh, I still don't see the indicator of the charge, right? So yeah, here you go. So yeah, so it still needs to be charged, right? So I'm gonna have to, like that one. So yeah, so you can see that. So it's still not charging. So I think it's drained, right? The battery is drained. Okay, it's also, yeah. Also, I've got right over here is also the game card cartridge. Oh, okay, I'm sorry for that one. So yeah, okay, there you go. There you go. I have my Nintendo 3D, my 488 in one game cartridge, right? And it's also, yeah, this are also a lot of games, right? So since I have to charge it up, so yeah, it's still not charging, so I'm gonna have to put it on right over here. So let's go, gonna get over to this one. So hope this gonna be power on, right? So yeah, it's still not okay. There you go, it's still on. Okay, there you go, it's on. So it's on blue, right? So yeah, it's on blue. So alright, okay. I think that's it for my video for you, right? So I hope you like it. So I hope you also having a good time watching my videos, right? So yes, here you go. So that was my video for today. So show to you my Nintendo small Nintendo handheld console, right? So got some right over here is the Nintendo DS Lite, and also I got my Nintendo DSi, and it's also the other one is charging is my Nintendo 3DS, right? And it's, yeah, though these are all working, right? And it's also I still wanted, I am still playing, right? So I'm still playing some games, some pastimes that I want. So before, after doing some editing videos and making vlogs in my channel, so after that I am playing, right? So I am playing some stuff that I really wanted to, right? So yes, and it's also a really good, when it comes to gaming, it's also is a really good pastime for me, so for me to have it. So yeah, so I still haven't got to work. So yeah, so still searching and looking for work, right? So yeah, pastime for today is also making videos here in my channel. So, and I hope you like it. So that's it for this video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And please don't forget to subscribe, and also click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so you have to subscribe to our channel for the YouTube algorithm, right? Like and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, and see you again on the next one.